Greetings, teacher and classmates. This is the first part of the assignment for the second bimester of Listening and Speaking 3. So, this is about a survey that I did to a teacher. Her name is Ana Lucia Pilataxi. She is a very clever teacher that I already made the interview for the first bimester assignment, and this time she couldn't give me the interview due to her lack of health. So she's very delicate, and she just provided me the answers for telling you, and I hope you consider my participation despite of this issue. So in the survey, my teacher got 5 to 10 as an S score. So she produces a medium carbon footprint. And in the survey, we're going to review the answers. The first one is, what is carbon dioxide responsible for? She gave us the answer that is the letter C, and it says causing global warming and climate change. The second question is, what action will be more effective in order to offset carbon dioxide emission? She told us that the answer is taking our own hands-on action. She told us that this would be the best option to offset carbon dioxide emissions. We have to start from our houses to stop this phenomenon. Well, the third question is, which of the following household actions will help to reduce the amount of personal carbon footprint? So, she told me that recycling goods would be a good action to be taken into account from our households, and will provide us from better rewards in the future, of course. The fourth question is, which of the following organization is not meant to offset the carbon footprint? So, her answer was the World Land Trust Organization. In agreement with her, she thinks that this organization is not meant to offset the carbon footprint. Well, the fifth question is, the main greenhouse gas is, from the options, she chose carbon dioxide due to her opinion that this gas is one of the most hurting gases for our planet. Number 6 says, which means of transportation emits more greenhouse gases. She told me that cars, because there are a lot of cars that are producing each time more greenhouse gases, and especially carbon dioxide. The seventh question is, what is the amount of carbon dioxide that humans produce per year? She told me that 20 billion tons. Number 8 says, what of our daily actions produces the most carbon dioxide emission? Well, this part, she told me that it depends on your daily activities. For example, if you have a car, you will produce more carbon dioxide emissions, and if you don't have it, maybe by public transportation you will produce it more. And regarding to our society, to our country, it depends on how much do you travel, or how much electricity do you consume per day and per year. That's what she told me. Number 9, it says, what of your daily actions helps the most to reduce personal carbon footprint? Well, she told me that one of her actions is to recycle. She is very obsessed with recycling, and that's the grain of sand that she puts to avoid this problem. And the last question says, What additional actions should be taken into account to be more effective at reducing carbon emission? Well, she told me that one of the best actions, starting from the government, is to forbid the the citizens to buy more than one car per family or per person. And this because we have seen in our country that there are many families that have 2 or 3 cars. That's something that is very problematic, and maybe that could be one of the actions. Thank you.